Computer system validation. Installation qualification. Presented by Learn GMP Incorporated in collaboration with Technical Training and Consultation Service. The installation qualification document should have following details. Introduction. IQ protocol development. Prerequisites. Hardware verification. Software verification. Network and environmental setup. Directory and file structure validation. Configuration verification. Document verification. Backup and restore verification. IQ test execution. Deviation handling. IQ summary report. IQ document set. Introduction. Performing installation qualification (IQ) in computer system validation (CSV) ensures that a computerized system is installed correctly, according to design and manufacturer specifications, and meets GMP and regulatory requirements. Here's a step-by-step guide to performing IQ in a GMP-regulated CSV environment, including documentation and compliance essentials. IQ protocol development. Prepare a formal IQ protocol document that includes purpose and scope, roles and responsibilities, test cases/checklists, acceptance criteria, deviations handling, required signatures and approvals. Example title: IQ Protocol, Laboratory Information Management System, LIMS. Prerequisites. Ensure approved URS, FS, and DS are available. Vendor documentation, like manuals, specs, is on hand. Infrastructure is ready, like power, network, HVAC. Hardware verification. Verify and record. Server model, CPU, RAM, disk size. Client machine specs. Peripheral equipment, barcode scanner, printers. Serial numbers and asset tags. Software verification. Verify operating system and version, for example, Windows Server 2019. LIMS version and patch level. Database system, like MS SQL Server. Required software libraries, frameworks. Network and environmental setup. Check. IP address assignment and connectivity. Firewalls, switches, and VPN access. UPS and HVAC functioning. Server rack installation. Directory and file structure validation. Verify installation folders. Log file paths. Backup folders. Permissions, read/write/execute. Configuration verification. Confirm installed configurations. License key/activation. Default user/roles created. System time settings, critical for audit trails. Document verification. Ensure the presence of user manuals, installation guides, certificates, calibration, authenticity, vendor qualification. SOPs, startup, shutdown, backup. GXP relevance. All documents must be traceable and version controlled. Backup and restore verification. Perform test backup of system and database. Test restore procedure, on a test instance if possible. Record start/end time, success logs. IQ test execution. Execute all test cases defined in the IQ protocol. Record results, pass/fail. Capture evidence, screenshots, logs, commands used. Deviation handling. Record any deviation from expected results. Perform impact assessment. Document CAPA and retesting if required. IQ summary report. After test execution. Summarize findings. List all past/failed test cases. Reference attached logs/screenshots. Conclude fitness for use. Submit for QA approval. Example. All IQ activities were completed successfully. No critical deviations were observed. The system is installed as per approved specifications and is ready for OQ. IQ document set. It includes IQ protocol, detailed instructions for testing, IQ test cases and checklists, execution forms, IQ summary report, post-execution findings, supporting attachments, equipment certificates, screenshots, configuration logs. Thanks for watching our channel. Feel free to reach us at contact@learngmp.com for any training and consultation requirements.